Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove the padlock or lock icon from drives in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up your File Explorer. Simply tap it. In case you have seen it here aligning your taskbar, you can simply use your button search bar and search for it. Go with this PC. And here you would be able to see a list of drives and devices that is being plugged in or that is being present in your Windows or computer. Now you just have to select the specific drive that have that lock or yes padlock icon. Do a right click, and in these options you would be able to see manage BitLocker. Now the reason why you have the face and errors is because you have turned on the BitLocker in your Windows or computer. In my case, I don't have such. That's why I'm not getting the error. You just have to click on it and turn it off. You will see an option there where you can turn off the BitLocker. Just have to turn it off. And once done, it will be removed here. The padlock will be removed here, pasting in your drives. So that's the very first step. The second step that you can do is at the start icon, please do a right click. Okay. And here you need to scroll up and go with settings. So wait until you are being redirected to the settings itself. Okay. So once you are here at the settings, proceed to privacy and security. And here you will be able to see device encryption. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, if you have that, you just have to go with it and turn it off. Okay? Turn off the device encryption. Once you're done, simply close this window and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.